Ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing a little extra cash before payday? Money with wings, we've all been there. Maybe an unexpected bill popped up, or you just need to bridge the gap until your next paycheck hits. In these moments, apps like Klover can be a lifesaver, offering cash advances to help you out. But when you're in a bind, the biggest question isn't if you can get an advance, but rather, how long does a Klover advance actually take to deposit? Let's dive in and break down the deposit times for Klover advances so you know exactly what to expect. Klover generally offers two main options for receiving your cash advance, each with a different timeline. The first, and most common, is their standard funding option. If you opt for this, you can expect the funds to hit your account within up to 3 business days. Now, business days is a key phrase here. That means weekends and holidays don't count towards that 3-day window. So, if you request an advance on a Friday, don't expect it to land in your account until sometime the following week. This standard option is free, which is a huge plus if you're not in a super urgent situation and can afford to wait a little. It's designed to be a no-cost solution for those looking to avoid traditional loan fees or interest. What if 3 business days is just too long? What if that unexpected bill needs to be paid today? That's where Klover's express funding option comes into play. For those moments when time is of the essence, Klover offers a way to get your money within a few hours, sometimes even within minutes after approval. However, this speed comes with a small price tag. The express funding option incurs a fast funding fee. This fee can vary, typically ranging from $1.49 to $19.99, depending on the advance amount you're requesting. So, if you're pulling out a smaller advance, the fee will be on the lower end, and for a larger advance, it'll be closer to the higher end. It's important to weigh the urgency of your need against this additional cost to decide if the express fee is worth it for your situation. While Klover provides these general timelines, a few factors can sometimes influence the exact deposit time. Your bank's processing times. Even with express funding, your bank plays a role. Different banks have different processing speeds for incoming transfers. Some banks process deposits almost instantly, while others might take a few hours to clear the funds. Time of day. If you request an advance late in the evening or outside of banking hours, it might not start processing until the next business day, even with express funding. Weekends and holidays. As mentioned, these don't count as business days. So, a Friday afternoon express request might not hit your account until Monday morning, depending on your bank. Eligibility and verification. The initial process of linking your bank account and Klover reviewing your cash flow can take a bit of time, especially for your first advance. Klover needs to see at least 3 consistent direct deposits from the same employer within the last 60 days, and your checking account needs to be active and in good standing for at least 90 days. This verification happens before the deposit times even come into play. So, here's what you need to remember about Klover advanced deposit times. Standard deposit, expected in up to 3 business days with no fee. Express deposit, get it within a few hours, often minutes, for a fee ranging from $1.49 to $19.99. Always consider weekends and holidays, as they extend the business day count. Your bank's processing times can also play a role. Klover can be a really helpful tool when you need a little financial boost. Understanding these deposit timelines helps you plan accordingly and decide which option best suits your immediate needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.